guys, so I got a squishy package. I can't tell you my address, but it's from Banggood. It's a squishy package. So I'm going to open it up. I thought I was going to get scammed, but it finally came, so oh my gosh. So excited. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I'm going to show you my address. So I ordered I ordered 2 more squishies. This only feels like it has 1 squishy in it, but I wanted the air dinosaur and... Just watch me struggle. Oh, you know what? Actually, all you do is this. All you do is just, actually no, there's another layer on top of it too. Wow. It's like literally, it's like 2 layers. Okay guys, so okay guys, so this squishy, this only came with one of my squishies that I wanted, but I also ordered the air dinosaur that will come soon. Ordered the Lele deer. Whoa! Whoa! The deer. Oh my gosh, that is the most rising squishy I've ever seen. Oh my. So happy. Okay, I'm going to. It's not resealable, but I don't care. Whoa. Oh my. It smells. This smells so. That's just like eye bloom. Oh my. And I'm so going to keep the packaging because it's just the cutest thing ever. Oh, okay. I just looked at it. Great. Oh, Daddy, look at how cute it is. Look at it. Look how slow rising that is. It's still rising.
Wow, that's a good one, huh?
I know. It smells so good too. It's my Lele deer. Oh my gosh. That is so surprising. And it's real. It says Lele on it. There's Lele right there. Just caution. Oh my gosh. This is so. It got a little smashed on the packaging, on the face over here. It got a little squished in the packaging, so that's why the face is really defected. But that's okay though, because it's all of people's Lele deers have gotten defected one time, right? Yeah. It got a little squished in the packaging. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I love it so much. Oh, I have 45 squishies now. Oh my. I thought I was going to get scammed, but oh my gosh, I got it. Like, I thought Banggood scammed me, but I got it. My, it's so big. It's so big. It's so cute. Look how it's rising. Whoa. Hey, who wants me to give it a squish in the packaging? Listen for the beautiful ASMR. I'm sorry if it's cut open already, but I'm going to let you listen today. Oh, okay. This is the best squishy ever. Go definitely buy this from Banggood. Like a Banggood. I thought you scammed me, Banggood, because you haven't sent me the package in such a long time. But oh my gosh, this is adorable. And this has sold out, so this might take a long time. Oh my gosh. Oh my. This is the best squishy ever. Oh my gosh. It's like, oh my. This is the cutest squishy ever. I only got this for like $7. So go get this on Banggood for $7. Oh my. This is adorable. Banggood hooked me up, man. It is. Gosh, bye guys.